Hey, how's it going? This is Jimmy at Direct Truck and Auto Repair, San Bernardino, California. We're kind of taking the October to kind of check over the cars, over your cars, trucks, whatever it may be. We're going to talk about brakes coming into a time where you have snow, where you have a lot of water, whatever it is. Let's make sure that our stuff stops correctly. Very low brake pads or pads that are metal to metal, they'll get really hot, and then you get a little water touching in there or cooling them off rapidly. You'll have a rotor starting to warp, and then you'll feel a lot of stuff going on when you brake. You just want to go in there and check your brake lining. So, and over here, you can check the brake lining right in this area right here. These brakes you can always gauge them and all that by the looks of it. Those look really good. And here's the most important thing. Okay, so we took the wheels off of this one to kind of check it. Here's the thing: if your car is running okay, if you press on the brake pedal, you don't feel any shimming on the steering wheel, or you don't feel anything vibrating only when you press on the brake pedal at higher speeds. You don't hear any noises, and you've had your brakes checked recently, you're probably okay. Now, if you're going down the road right now and you feel a little bit something on the steering wheel kind of shimmies back and forth, or the car kind of shimmies only when you press on that brake when you get from higher speeds to lower speeds, it's really a good time whether there's noise or not. That usually indicates you have a warped rotor, and it'll probably only continue to get worse. All right, so get your brakes checked out. Make sure that you're out there riding safe for yourself, your family, and all those around you. All right, if you guys need any help with that, contact us at Direct Truck and Auto Repair in San Bernardino, California.